G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're down in the southwest of WA at the start of a track called Adelaide Road. We're just prepping the cars now, just airing down. We've got some perfect weather today, so we're really looking forward to hitting the tracks. Today we've got some company with us. We've got Mark and Kathy in their 2014 Prado 150. So stay tuned to see these cars in action. So getting some of the gear ready for the car, and glad to see the kids are excited to go four-wheel driving today. Oh, I might wake up on some of these tracks. swipe left to get across this one. Yep.
When we do this, guys, stand away from the car.
So I'm not sure that was the best choice of track to come down. Just got hung up on the diffs there, even with the 34s on there. Just wasn't quite enough there to get up. I wasn't really game enough to give it the berries with this wall being so close. You can see here that tyre was right up against that wall trying to reverse back up again. So I'm kind of glad for the offset on those new wheels. It helped me avoid any panel damage on the side of the car there. But a quick winch from the Prado and we are back on the tracks again. So let's keep going. You get stuck? Yeah. You have to get winched out. So we're about 3/4 of the way through the track now. It's been fairly easy so far. A few obstacles here and there. That little short winch out of that where I got hung up there on that downhill section. Kids are finally awake now, decided to join us on the track, and I think they're enjoying themselves. So we're just going to keep tracking along here, see what we come up against. The track's been fairly dry. There's only a couple of little bits of water compared to some of the other times I've heard of where it's been flooded and whatnot. But overall, a good track. Don't need anything super of a four-wheel drive, just maybe a lift kit and some decent all-terrain tyres, just for the roots and rocks and whatnot, but otherwise all good. So we'll keep treading along here and we'll get back to you shortly. See you later. Hello guys, so we have finished the Adelaide Road track now. It was a great track. A few obstacles here and there, nothing too difficult though, so it's good fun and all. I can imagine if it was raining or in the wet, it would be a very different story, but for us it was just perfect. Nice little easy track to do for the morning. So we've just taken a little detour down the banks of the Blackwood River now. It is just perfect down here. The weather is great and the water's a nice temperature for a cool dip. So we're going to enjoy a bite of lunch down here and head back up to the road where we'll air up. So thanks for watching. I'll leave some shots of the drone footage that we've captured along the way, and we'll